everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. Today I'm doing something a little different. Do you guys know what that is? Yeah, this is like way outside what I normally do. I'm usually a very more natural glam type of person, but what is this? Today is we just finished Memorial Day weekend and I was really excited that it's finally summer. It's absolutely crazy at the aquarium, but I love the summer and I'm so excited that it finally is here. Even though it means that my life's gonna be a lot more crazy at work, I still love it. I still love the season, and whenever I think of summer, I think of blues and greens because I live by the beach. I love the beach, and blues and greens remind me of the ocean. And I just decided to step a little bit outside of my comfort zone today with the extra liner. And I hope that you guys want to see it. If you want to see how I got this look, just follow along. Okay, so as always, I'm going to start out with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using this random eyebrow brush that I have because I can't find my normal one. I'm using my Anastasia Dipbrow in Taupe. Okay. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. So I'm gonna begin, like always, with priming my eyes with my Inglot eye primer and my precision angled brush. I just realized I totally didn't conceal around my brows. So I will be doing that now. Do you guys have those days where the day before you had a really bad day, so the next day you're just kind of like off, like extra kind of goofy and wonky because you're just kind of like, well, that's how I am. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, then I'm just the weirdo, but that's exactly how I'm feeling right now. I'm just using Shape Tape to clean up under my brows, just to make them extra sharp. All right, and then for the most part, I'm gonna be using my 35B palette. So I'm gonna be setting my lids with this super white shade right here, just to blank out all color that I have on my lids. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the rain now on camera. That's gonna really suck, but it's fine. Hopefully my lighting's okay. I can't actually see it because I use my phone and I use the back camera, which is better, so I don't see what I'm doing. Alright, and then I'm going to be using this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to pack on some color. I'm going to be using some summery colors today because I'm really excited that it's finally warm out here in North Carolina. I know it's not really super warm everywhere else in the country, but after Memorial Day it's basically summer anyway. So I'm going to start out with this green color right here with a eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. and just start packing that on, patting motions on the inner, like, half of my eye. And then next I'm going to be using that same brush with the teal shade that's up here, and then pop that right into the center of my lid. Just pat that on. I'm gonna go through and blend everything out afterwards. And then on the outer corner, I'm gonna be using this bright blue shade. And then I'm gonna go through with a fluffy blending brush. This is just a random one that I think I got at TJ Maxx or something. Just go through and blend out everything close to the crease, except for that inner corner. I'm gonna leave that green shade alone pretty much. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with this, I don't know if I like any of these highlighty shades. I'm gonna go in with this green shade from my Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette with a dense brush by Vintage Cosmetics. I don't actually remember what it's for. And then I'm just going to clean up under my eyes and I'll be right back for eyeliner. Okay, and then for eyeliner today, I really want to do something graphic, but I've never done graphic liner before. So I probably shouldn't be doing this on camera, but it's fine, it's fine. I'm just using my NYX matte liquid liner because this is really user friendly. I'm just gonna start out with a wing. And then for the top liner, this is either going to completely ruin everything that I'm doing or it's going to make it look great. I'm shaking. Can you guys see how much I'm shaking? Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. I'm gonna do this eye off camera. Killed it. Yeah. Oh my god. Like, it's not perfect, but this is like so much better than I've ever done anything. What? What is this? Oh my god, I'm literally so excited. This look calls for lashes, and I don't know if I have lashes, but I'm gonna look to see if I have lashes. Pooh, are you proud of me? And I'm just gonna tight line a little bit with my Laura Geller eyeliner pen thing. I love it. I love it. All right, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup. I'll speed through it like normal, and then I'll come back for mascara and lashes. And then I'm going to finish up my eyes. I'm gonna use that same highlight shade to highlight my inner corner, the green one from my lid. And then for under my eyes, I'm just going to be using a flat shader brush and copy the same colors that I did on my upper eye. And then for my waterline, to open up my eyes a little bit more, I'm going to be using my NYX Wonder Pencil. And then for mascara today, I'm going to be using my typical Butter London double-decker lashes, and I'm going to make sure to get really close to my eye because my eyelashes are blonde. I don't want to see any gaps. And I'm going to go look to see if I have fake lashes because that would look really good with this look. Okay, so I don't have any fake lashes, which kind of sucks, but whatever, I'll deal with what I have. I'm going to do my lips. What the heck can I do on my lips to make this look different? So I only have either super crazy shades or super nude shades. I don't really have anything that would match this. So I'm gonna go in with my Adeste New York high definition liquid lipstick. This is the one that does not have a shade number. Okay, so this is the final look. And I'm literally obsessed with it. I feel like everything on my channel, I say that it gives me mermaid vibes, but I literally feel like I look like a fish, and it makes me very happy as a marine biologist to look like a fish. I'm so incredibly proud of myself by how this turned out. This is definitely way outside my comfort zone. I can't even believe that it actually worked. I don't even know if I got this. I didn't even get this look from anyone. I like want to give credit, but I don't have anyone in mind. I just watched Shaaanxo's tutorial, the Capricorn one, where she did the little inner corner things, so I guess that maybe gave me a little bit of inspiration. I don't know, I just really wanted to use color today because it's finally summer, and I want to do crazy eyeliner because I feel like I've been seeing it all over the internet just for random people, but I don't even know. I've seen double wings. I don't know if I've actually seen the cut crease wing thing. I'm sure I have somewhere. I don't know who to give credit to though. And I'm so proud of myself to step out of my comfort zone to be able to do something like this. And I hope that you guys liked it too. But I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you liked this look or if you want to see something like it, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more of me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And I hope that I see you guys again next time. Thank you so much for going through this with me. Bye.